Sometimes, on your Android phone, you might put it in silent mode. But even then, sometimes the vibration is still there when a call comes in. The ringtone won't play, but it'll vibrate. If you don't want that vibration either, you can disable it. In this video, we'll show you how to turn off vibration in silent mode on your Android phone. To do this, open Settings. At the top, you'll see a Search Settings option. Tap on that, and search for Vibrate, or you can search for Vibration. When you do, you'll see an option like Vibrate in Silent Mode or Vibration in Silent Mode. You need to tap on that. It can vary a bit depending on the brand. I'm using a POCO phone, and on POCO and Redmi phones, the setting is like this. On some phones, it'll be Vibration in Silent Mode. Anyway, tap on that option. Then, when you scroll down under Vibrate, you'll see the Vibrate in Silent Mode. If it's turned on, you'll need to turn it off. After that, in silent mode, you won't feel that vibration anymore. So, this way, you can easily disable vibration in silent mode on your Android phone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.